There's Grandpa Leroy. There he is.
You can open your eyes.
I get it for now.
As big as you are.
Yeah, you got it early because your mommy got hers early too.
You're just taking a picture?
Yeah, that's an early gift.
Yeah, get pictures of me more because
How
you
many
need more
inches
pictures
is
of me.
it?
It's big. I'll read it to you. It
It's
says
3 stories.
Barbie Dream House. Three stories high, fully furnished, 6 deluxe rooms, working elevator, real sound doorbell, stove timer, and flushing toilet. And it's 3 feet tall.
That is
Oh, it's this big?
No, it's about this big. About 3 feet tall. About as big as a box.
About as big as you.
yeah.
Almost as big as you.
Oh, cool. Let's open it for present.
All right.
Of course, honey. You gotta open the box.